Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by using iCloud because it syncs automatically and is simple to restore from. First, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and the phone is charged or plugged in. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Toggle contacts on so items will sync. Once contacts shows syncing, go back to iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now to force an immediate copy. This creates a cloud snapshot you can restore to a new device or after a reset, which is why we start here. Once your iCloud copy is underway, you should create a local export for extra safety. Open Contacts, select the group or multiple contacts, then Share as a vCard, VCF. Choose AirDrop for nearby Apple devices or email the file to yourself. Alternatively, use Finder/iTunes or Save to Files. Make sure the receiving device imports the vCard into contacts. Doing both cloud and local exports prevents single-point failures and gives you an immediate manual restore option if syncing behaves unexpectedly. To finish, verify that your backup's completed. Open Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, and check Contacts shows a recent update time. If contacts aren't showing on another device, toggle iCloud contacts off then on to force a resync and restart the phone if that fails. If syncing still fails, import your saved VCF file to recover data. Make sure you keep at least one local export plus iCloud backup so you can restore quickly if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.